Hi everyone, greetings for the day. This is your Vivek from Dreamers Live. Today I'm gonna make a video on Prestige Claremont, a project which I have missed to cover for a long time. We were caught up. Prestige Group is planning to launch many projects in Hyderabad, and soon you would get to know about that luxury segment. Like malls, like there are a lot of things I can't share. But yes, we are all geared up, and that's the reason why I was caught up with a couple of things. But yes, today's video I would be covering Prestige Claremont, a project which is a successful one for us for sure. Within 1.5 years, we have sold more than 85%. Last few units left. I definitely recommend you to consider that particular project because the way it's gonna shape up and the location, it's amazing. You can rest assured it will give you amazing rental. In case if it's end use, the segment of people who are gonna be around you, you would love the experience over there. Thanks to Matsagar Lake and 111 Geo all around it. The ventilation, the views, it's gonna be really a very pleasant experience. However, I would like to also talk about a new project which we have recently launched. Name of the project is Prestige Vaishnavi Rainbow Waters. In case you missed out on the opportunity of investing in Claremont at the initial stages and you want to invest in something in similar lines, I would highly recommend Prestige Vaishnavi Rainbow Waters. However, one challenge over there would be the sizes are all 5,000 square feet and above. However, I would definitely recommend you to consider looking at it at least. Reason being, it's a very high-end luxury product. When we say luxury, basically your flooring, it's completely marble flooring, Italian marble, or we always give imported marble. So here we are going to provide imported marble flooring. These are going to be fully air-conditioned houses. There are limited exclusive 150 families, as I said, in 2.42 acres. So you can understand how we have planned everything. You know how our clubhouses are. There are exclusive 35,000 square feet clubhouse. And the beauty of the project, it has got uninterrupted views towards the lake. Something which many customers wanted in Claremont. So I would be sharing a link for that particular project where we have made a video recently. I hope it will give you a decent idea on what that project is all about. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. But right now, it's all about Prestige Claremont. An amazing project. Will be a best project delivered, given to you in the month of July 2026. It is going at a perfect pace the way we want, and it will be an amazing project when it is delivered. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe and stay connected and share with your friends. We are there to help you and may help you make the right investments. Thank you so much for your time. Take care, stay blessed. Cheers. work is going on at an amazing place. This particular project was a challenge itself because it is a hill terrain, so it took a decent time. I see my neighbors struggling for more than 10 months now to even finish the excavation. So excavation took some time, and right now at the pace at what the work is going on, I will show you how to where we are tower wise, and that will give you a good idea. As I always say, ground and first floor is what will require some time, and post that it will be all cakewalk because they will just repeat the floor plans on the higher floors, considering the Maivan technology that we have. So let's see. So what we are looking at is now tower 1, where we have finished 2 floors. I'm going to say the work progress that you're seeing for the basements and the 4 levels of car parking is completed, and then 2 levels of apartments are completed, and the work is in progress for third floor. Now this is tower 2, where the work is in progress for the ground floor, moving towards the first floor. Again, the basements are fully completed. Now the next tower beside it is tower 3, where you could see that the ground floor work is completed, and now they are moving towards the first floor completion, where the concrete pouring, I think it's already done because the shuttering is already completed. And then at the end would be the tower 4, where the ground floor works are in progress, and we are entering the site right now. Not a great experience for me for sure, but yeah, I was supposed to do this for a long time. I could not cover it, and so I decided today I'll make sure I do. So these are the basements, where you could see the work is in progress. Now, as I have said multiple times to my clients, we are concentrating to make sure the basements for the clubhouse is also completed, because that is a good major work, and the sooner we finish it's better, because raising floors will not be a problem at all. So right now what you're seeing is a ramp work going on. It is moving towards the P2 level for the clubhouse area. I'll try to take you slightly higher if possible. I think I missed the staircase. The biggest challenge for this location, in a way it is good for end users though. The biggest challenge was this was a completely hill terrain. Like everyone knows, it's an area which is like on a mountain, where now the entire Neopolis is getting developed, and that's why you get these huge lake views. You're at an elevated place, and that assures you great ventilation views and all. So yeah, this one gives you a better idea. It's an amazing project for sure. The lifestyle, the people, I know most of them, as I said earlier, 85% is already sold, and it's like very, very limited flats. So I would definitely say we still have like few options, and any day it's a very, very good project. So there, the tower 4 works are being done, where the ground floor works are being executed. That's tower 1, this is tower 2, this is tower 3. I'm sure you guys will understand more about these towers once the flats start coming up. I hope this gives you a good idea, and this is the clubhouse area. This is the clubhouse area where the P1 works are being implemented, the parking level 1. So that's it. So I hope you are happy with the work progress which is going on. Be rest assured, This will be an amazing project, something which I keep saying again and again because I love this location. In case if you're interested or if you think your friend would be interested, kindly forward that link to them or that video and we will be glad to assist. So thank you so much. Take care. Stay blessed.